Now we're going to kind of show you how we're going to clean out that main trunk line. So you get a good idea what's in there and how we're getting it out. So why don't you take a trip with me inside the main trunk line. Now that we're done cleaning the main trunk line, as you can tell, our vacuum's still hooked up. We do get about 1% that goes by our vacuum and lands down by the filter. Why don't we take a look at that 1% and see what we're looking at. Keep in mind, you times this by 99, that's what we had in the ductwork. So let's take a peek, shall we? Okay, come on over here. As you can see, we have everything in here. From playing cards to some really old stuff. Like I said, this is an old house. There's plenty here to look at. You take this, you times it by 99. Let me grab you a small pile and you can take a peek at it. This is just a little bit of what we're talking about here. Now, if you times this by 100, this is a lot of stuff to be breathing all the time. Guess that kind of makes us wonder why we all get sick. This is part of the problem. We've got some of our main trunk lines cleaned out. As you can see, we have the access hole to where the vacuum used to be hooked up to. So why don't we take a look at it. We'll see what the end results are going to be as far as cleanliness on the inside of the ductwork. Okay, we're once again inside some of the main trunk line here. As you can see, nothing's holding onto the sides anymore because we have not only whipped it off, but brushed it off as well. The results are phenomenal. Once we start looking up a little bit more, you can actually even see the old wood frames that used to be in this house to connect the ductwork. And they're also spotless. As you can see, we've got this hole patched up. This is a cross-broken plate that we have custom made for our customers.